Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. We have a lot to do in this plan with me today. We're going to be planning in the home section in my catch-all planner from February the 28th through March 6th. I'm going to be trying something different, guys, with my plan with me. We're going to combine my ink on paper plan with me with my Breeze Project Book Lifestyle channel. And basically what I'm trying to do is you will be seeing me plan videos or plan projects on my planner that you actually will see on my Breeze Project channel. That should be fun. Today is a different kind of planning. We're doing this spring cleaning scheduling. You'll see how I create my spring cleaning schedule for the week. So the books that we are using are Household, Memory Keeping, Mojo, Jojo Plans, Black Boxes, Budget, and Planner Words Letters by Kelliver Plan. The stickers that I will be using is a sticker kit from White Rose Printables, and it's a spring cleaning kit. Very cute little kit. So we have the decor boxes here and more decor boxes, and we have the little stickers down here. This is a digital download, guys, so I love the digital download. This only costs $3.67, and I am loving these digital downloads because I don't mind cutting myself. Every now and again, I like to purchase a kit because it's like spoiling myself. You know, you get all the everything cut and everything, but you know, this is a relaxing thing for me. I love cutting them myself. So those are the stickers we'll be using. I'm going to fast forward and I would do a talk over to let you know how things are going, what I'm doing, my mindset of creating this spring clean schedule, and so on. So we're going to go ahead and get started by covering up this top portion of the top three and that circle medallion with a piece of sticker strip of paper to make sure that gets covered. Hopefully it doesn't peek through. And then we're going to add another sticker right here, another border, a marbled border, to break up that white up here at the top and add some interest. And I think that medallion is coming through up here, so we're going to have to white that out. Okay, so that looks better. So now we're going to go ahead and just white out the rest of these wordings while we're at it. And this might take a little time, so I'm just going to white out a few lines here, and then we're going to skip forward. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and get started with the actual planning here. So we're starting out with my schedule, and I created this sticker to go right at the top. So I have the schedule for the spring cleaning for the week, and I can just basically take these lists and add them to the planner. And very easy and easy to access. Then we have our nice little decorative area here over here in the corner. I'm adding this beautiful lady here who is going to be the start of our spring cleaning area, and we're going to title this a spring cleaning. So I add a little wording here from the Kelliver Plan book, and that start out our spring cleaning section. My G torn off my cleaning, so I had to put that back. I don't know why, but I lost it somewhere. So this section here is my donation area. So we're going to go ahead and put some bullets here so I can add all the items that I would be donating while spring cleaning and purging. So that would already be here, and we can just write those in very easily. Then we're going to go ahead and start our menu section. So I am going to add a box and put a nice little meal plan sticker here in green, so it can kind of coordinate with the spring cleaning list, and also it would give us a nice little title here for our meals. Now I'm adding another sticker on my list sticker, and we're going to go ahead and add that right up under that meal plan sticker. Now we're going to start off labeling our days of the week. I need to white this out so it won't pick through, and I think this will cover it. It should be good here. So we're going to go ahead and add that sticker, and we're going to add 5 of these box stickers going down the line here. Now the reason I'm erasing this because I had lists of numbers on here for the days of the week, so I know which day is the bills going to which column. So that's the reason why you see me erasing those pencil marks. So we're going to continue with those boxes. Okay, now we can go ahead and add this paper dowel here. I think she is so cute. So we're going to add her right here on the side so she can coordinate with the other paper dowel over in the corner. And I think that looks really great. And we're going to add this nice pretty medallion up in the top there that says "Let's Spring Clean." We're going to go ahead and add that. And then we're going to go ahead and add the days of the week from the Colorful Plan words and phrases there. So we have our Monday, and we're going to add Tuesday here, and then the Wednesday, and so on. So we're going to put some bullets, maybe 1 bullet per box. No, we're not going to do that yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. We are going to pay some bills. So we're going to list our bills here in the areas that the bills need to be paid. And I'm erasing the date so I know where to place it. Now we're going to add the bullet in each section, and this bullet will will start off our list of duties that we need to do for our for the week. So we still need to do our weekly duties along with the spring cleaning duties. So this side of the planner is for my home management, all of my duties that I normally do during the week. And we're going to go ahead and continue that with the bullets. So that looks great. I love the way this looks, and we're going to go ahead and go to the next page. So we have a lot of whiting out to do here because we have those columns of motion, what you call them, faces, and we want to erase all of those. Not all of them, but the ones that I'm not going to cover with the stickers. So we're just going to erase some of those. Now we're going to go ahead and cover up the menu area and that title there, and we're going to cut that off to size, and then we're going to add a decorative box, and this area here is going to be our top 3. Since we moved some of the areas over on the right side of the left side of the planner, we still need our top 3, so we brought that over here on the right side of the planner. Now we're getting rid of the days of the week because we don't need those over here on this side. We are organizing our spring cleaning or spring cleaning areas without the date. So you'll see what I'm saying you'll see what I'm talking about once I get to that portion. So we have the first room, which is the kitchen, and that's at the top, and we're going to add a little sticker there to represent the kitchen. I love these stickers. They are so cute. The artwork on them are gorgeous. And we're going to add a bullet, so we can add all the duties that we're going to do from the kitchen from that schedule sticker in the front, on the first page of the planner. And then I have this medallion that I keep trying to put on this page, but it's just not working out. We're going to forget it. So we're going to go to the next sticker, and this is going to be the family room. And we're going to put that in this area. And we have a sticker for the family room also after we put these bullets here. And that sticker will go over on the bottom portion and cover up that column of, what do you call that? Faces to tell you how you're feeling for the day. I don't know what you call those. But anyway, we cover that up with the stickers. Then we add 3 more bullets. And under that, we're going to add a box to add another area. And this is going to be the yard. This is my husband's section, the things that he would be doing for the yard. So we're going to go ahead and put bullets here so we can go ahead and enter those duties. Okay, so the next area we're going to put on the planner is the laundry area. And we're going to go ahead and designate this area here with the laundry and this beautiful sticker of this person here in the laundry room doing her laundry. And I thought that was a perfect sticker for this area. And we're going to go ahead and add some bullets here to write down our spring cleaning duties that we are going to be listing here for the laundry. Okay, everyone, so on this second page here, I'm thinking about dividing it up or boxing off the sections, because then it's easier and then it's more defined. So that's what I'm going to do next as soon as I find me a ruler. Okay, everyone, this is what it looks like. Pretty busy, right? I tried to get everything on here and put it in a way that it looks pleasing, but also has everything I need for my first week of spring cleaning. I will go through this and write it down, and you can see how I actually go through my spring cleaning schedule and how I list everything. So this is the family room section. This is the laundry room. It's in 2 parts. And here's the yard. My husband normally does the yard stuff, but sometimes I help him with the gardening and things in that nature. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill all this out, and you can see how it looks. Okay, everyone, this is my cleaning schedule for the week. Just giving you an idea how I create my cleaning schedule. There are a few areas and few items I always include in my cleaning schedule, and that is an area where I donate items, an area where I have a schedule and it lists all the things that I want to do for each day, and an area of top 3 where I want to clean those areas that I don't clean on a regular basis, and then the areas of the home that I want to clean during that week or weeks, what have you. So that's how I set mine up. I also include on my planner the regular duties that I normally do Monday through Friday, and those are done on this side. That's including prep meals, all the appointments and pay bills and grocery shopping and things in that nature. This planner is set up differently. I whited out a lot of things and arranged the planner differently. As you notice over here, there is no days of the week and there is no meal plan. But this is my planner. You can set yours up any way you want. I'm just giving you an idea that you don't have to create your cleaning schedule by the actual way the planner is set up. You can cut it up and design it whichever way you want, just like I done here. So as you can see on this side here, how I set this up, I have just a little decorative thing here, but it's actually meaningful. This is my donation area. And this is where I list all the donating items that I will be giving away during my purging and cleaning during spring cleaning. I always like to add this on here because it always keeps me at the forefront. Get those things packed up so they can be taken to the charity or some kind of donating event, whatever that is. I also included my meals here. because like I said, this also is my everyday planner, and I wanted to include that in there. Monday through Friday is listed here of all the things that I normally do on Monday through Friday, pay bills and other things that I normally do. Right here in the schedule here is where I created my spring schedule that I would be using on this sheet, this side of the planner, and it coincides with all the lists of things that I want to make sure I cover during my spring cleaning. As you can see here, we have a top 3 over here in the left hand corner, and we have notes down at the bottom. The top 3 lists all the things that I normally don't clean but once every 4 months, or during the spring cleaning, and that's cleaning off the light switches or things in that nature, or changing the batteries in the smoke alarm, or clean behind the fridge and the grill, those kind of things, flipping the mattress over, things like that, those things that you just don't think of doing every time you do your regular cleaning. The kitchen, the laundry room, the family room is the rooms on the first floor, so I normally start with those. So that's how I set it up. So we have our kitchen here, the family and the laundry, and we split them up Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday duties, and most of them are the same. So whatever I choose here, for instance, clean and polish cabinets, wipe down walls and down counters, that'll be done on a specific day, let's say Monday, and I would do that on Monday for each of the rooms. So Monday, clean window sills, walls, and baseboards. That goes for the same for Monday for family room, and the same for Monday for the laundry room. So you can get how that goes. And the same thing for Tuesday, clean and buff cabinets. That goes the same thing for the family room and the laundry room. So that's how I normally set mine up. Down at the bottom here is the yard work that my husband normally do. So that's what we have here going on, guys. The notes here in this section is for anything that I want to remember coming in the following week, which rooms that I will be tackling. Like I said, these rooms here on the first floor, then we'll be tackling the second floor, then the third floor, and so on. So I hope I've given you some ideas how I created and set up my cleaning schedule. And I hope I inspire you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.